All right, so we bought 2 of these, and we're gonna unbox them and check them out, see what we think. They're heavy. These boxes are heavy, I gotta tell you. Oh wow, look at them all. Honey, can you pull them out for me? Can you pull these out of here?
What?
Can you pull these out of here?
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, she's just not gonna do it. She's just gonna do, you know.
I think they'll fit in here.
Well, how about just taking them out of the box so that we can see them? How's that sound? Huh?
Yeah, I think they'll fit in here.
Oh my God. I just want to get them out of the box so that people can see what they look like. Could you just pull them out, please? Could you pull them out of the box? Today, maybe? Come on, you can do it. Just stick your hand in there. No, go on the sides. Go on the side like this. Get your finger under there, like that. Oh, there we go. Okay, now you can get them out. Go pull them out. Don't drop them. All right, let's look at them. Ooh, that one's nice. Ooh, look at the blue one. Look at the red one. There's a green one. And there is a silver.
Red?
Right there. Or it's orange.
Oh, that is kind of.
Look, they're all different colors.
Oh, that's cool.
Look at
it's
that.
It's not really a red, it's an orange red. Yeah, they're all different.
Yellow, blue, and green.
Actually, I'll throw them in the dishwasher.
Yeah, let's put them in the dishwasher. I think we can put them right up top. We're gonna wash them in the dishwasher, and then maybe we'll put some rice in them later.